The command voice. When giving commands to a dog, a calm, firm, authoritative voice is most effective. Dogs do not respond well to hesitant, pleading voices, nor to yelling, which might sound to the dog like threatening, barking, or scolding. It is also important that the word used for the command and the pitch of the voice be consistent each time the command is delivered, so that the dog can more easily learn what the owner means. Sit, for example, does not sound the same as sit. Using the dog's name before a command ensures that the dog knows that the command is coming, that it is for him rather than other dogs, children, people, and that he should pay attention. This is important because dogs hear a lot of human speech that has no relevance for them at all, and it is easy for them to disregard commands amongst the babble. To reinforce the command, the dog always gets some kind of reward or reinforcement, praise or usually a treat or toy, when it performs the action correctly. This helps the dog to understand that he has done a good thing. Note that not all dogs are trained to the command voice. Many working breeds of dogs are not trained to the command at all. They are taught to obey a combination of whistles and hand signals. Deaf dogs are perfectly capable of learning to obey visual signals alone. Many obedience classes teach hand signals for common commands in addition to voice signals. These signals can be useful in quiet situations, at a distance, or in advanced obedience competitions. The specific commands are not important, although common words in English include sit, down, come and stay. Short, clear words that are easily understood by other humans are generally recommended. That way, people will understand what a handler is telling his dog to do, and other handlers have a good chance of controlling someone else's dog if necessary. In fact, dogs can learn commands in any language or other communications medium, including whistles, mouth sounds, hand gestures, and so forth. Invisible commands. Dogs can sometimes respond to subtle variations in the body language of the owner. Here's two examples. 1. Many owners tend to start bending over before telling their dog the down command. Because of this, the dog starts to cue off the owner's body language and lays down any time the owner bends over it, but not if the owner stands straight up and issues the command. Solution. Always give the command first, before bending over and making the dog do it. This way, the dog will link the behaviour with the command rather than with your body language. 2. Amateur handlers tend to tell their dog heel and then walk with their shoulders angled back towards the dog so they can look at their dog while they're walking. The problem with this is that the dog reads your body language and attempts to align himself with your shoulders, thus lagging behind the owner, rather than walking in the heel position, aligned with your left heel. Solution. Keep both shoulders straight forward as you walk. If you need to look at your dog, you should, cock your head without angling your shoulders. This will keep your dog lined up right alongside you. In general, it is helpful if you can be aware of how your body language affects your dog.